Hey, happy Tuesday! I want to show you this feature that I just found in ChatGPT that you may be able to use in your workflow, especially if you're doing some collaborative work with people either in your team or virtually. It's in the top right-hand corner, and it looks like a little person with a plus icon. When you click on that, it says, let's use ChatGPT together. It is a group chat option. And how it all works, if we click on the learn more that pops up here, it just explains that it allows you to bring other people into the chat, into the same conversation, to plan, make decisions, and do all that fun stuff together. Now, when we go ahead and go back and we click start a group chat, what's going to happen is it's going to give you a link that you can now share out. Now there's three dots here that you can either reset or delete that link, but it says use this group link to invite others to join the group chat. Anyone can join the group chat with this link and they'll be able to see the previous messages in that group chat. So that's how it all works, and then you can go down here, you start to use ChatGPT just like you would before, but other people will be able to come into the chat and actually prompt it to do things. So play around with it, have some fun with it, and leave the comments with the video about what you found useful with this or any questions that you have along the way. Thanks for watching.